It is March 25th, 2020. We're here at 5123-5125 Savannah Street, San Diego, California, 92110. We just inspected this line several days ago, and this is the second inspection because we came back out at a request of the owners. We went ahead and removed the roots that were in the line by the property line cleanout, both before and after that we saw in the first video. So what you're looking at right here is we pushed our camera all the way out to the first root intrusion, which is right before the last little mini section of clay concrete, where it then becomes plastic for the property line cleanout that was installed. So you can see right there we have one tiny little root literally just barely dangling. This is a special pan and tilt camera. We can actually steer this camera, so we're just changing the angle. So you can see that one little tiny miniature root hanging down. Everything else that was hanging down in the first video has all been removed and cleaned up. So this line is all opened here. We'll go ahead and pull back on the line right here as we come back up towards the property again. So we'll show all of this. So again, this was cast iron. That's the original property line clean out right there in cast iron. Here's the transition to plastic where it was all replaced. So now we'll be coming back up the long driveway here. I'm going to pull this up relatively quick. Again, this is all new plastic and it was inspected with no issues previously, but we just wanted to show the whole way back since we didn't show going forward after the cleaning process. So here you go, we just came back out. Our camera here. So you can see here we're on the side of the house. So we're now going to go down, so we're going to pause the video and we're going to go down and show after the clean out that those have been removed. Because even with this camera we couldn't get past those few more feet with the turning. Okay, so we're now here at the bottom of the driveway. You can see right here we have the property line clean out. And so we'll go down this plastic pipe and this will immediately go down into the turn where the last root intrusion was. So we'll slowly push through this. And we're going to go ahead and move our camera. So you can see right there, we're going to rotate this around here. It was right on the immediate turn. Sorry, we're going to slowly rotate this back. So as we come back here, we're going to try to get just the right angle because it's literally right on the turn from even the first video. You can see where all the roots were at. So there you go right there. There's the perfect angle kind of showing this. So you can see that there's literally one little tiny root just dangling from this whole intrusion that was there before. That's all that's literally left. So it's right where that old cast iron, it was redone, I'm sorry, clay, meets the plastic T-junction. So that's all that's left on that entire root intrusion we saw. It's the only thing that didn't get knocked out, that one little piece, but everything else that was blocking 90% of the pipe you can see. So that's the one little one that's left that's growing in there. And so the line is all clear now. So all those roots are removed. So we're going to go ahead and pull the camera back out here. So just want to go ahead and quickly show. So we did clean the roots out with what's called a chain knocker system. It's a flex shaft cable. These high-speed carbide tip chains are what go in and tear and rip out all the roots basically in the system. So it's cheaper and actually faster than the hydrojetting process and does the same exact job. So those are all removed out. So that concludes this recording.